Hi everyone, this is Saurabh, and you're probably watching this video as you wanted to grow your Pinterest profile. Well, you have come at the right place. In this video, I'll be showing you what I did to grow my Pinterest profile in 20 days. So I'll be giving you my blueprint of what I did to grow my Pinterest profile from 100 to more than 850 followers in 20 days. So without a further ado, let me show you my Pinterest profile and I'll show you my results. So this is my Pinterest profile, Saurabh, and it's passive income methods. And I've got 3.1 thousand monthly viewers with 100 monthly engaged viewers. And if I just go over here, let me show you. These are all my pins. I'll be coming to this later on. And if I go in the followers list, as you can see, I've got 862 followers right now. And when I started implementing my techniques, I was at 100 followers 20 days ago. Let me just show you the analytics part of it. So as you can see, I've got the daily impressions of 310 with average daily viewers of 202, which has got increase in 18.86%. And these are the different results, people you reach, activity from passive income methods. That's my Pinterest profile. And if we go further down, you can see my growth from February 24th till today is 11th of March. So it is only showing the data till 9th of March. So as you can see, I've got the average daily impressions of 220, which has got the increase of 164%. So let me just show you my figures from February. Let's say from February 1st till February 20th. So as you can see, uh, in first 3 weeks of February, I've got like 20 average daily impressions with 7 daily viewers. And now let me just change it to 22nd till 9th of March. You can see the increase in the number. So growing the Pinterest profile is very important for your business these days. There is a lot more Pinterest can do, which not many people are following. Most of the people are really concerned about Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, but Pinterest is also one of the free traffic methods for your blog and your affiliate offers. And whatever I have done so far in my Pinterest profile, I haven't spent a single penny on this. So my traffic has increased to my blog as well as on my affiliate offers, and you can see the growth. So now let me take you to my presentation where I'll show you my blueprint of what you have to do to grow your Pinterest profile. So I hope you can still see me. So in this presentation, I'm going to give you a 30,000 feet overview, a blueprint of what I did and what you have to do to grow your Pinterest profile. In the upcoming videos, I'll be showing you each and every steps to how you have to do it. So the very first thing which you have to do is you need to create a business account for Pinterest. There is an option for a personal account and there is one option for business account. So go with the business account for your profile creation. So before you create your Pinterest profile, you need to make sure what your niche is, whether it's make money online, whether it's fitness, whether it's gardening, whether it's dog training or whatever. So you need to be sure what your niche is going to be. And then you have to create 10 different boards in your niche. So these 10 different boards are like the subtopics in your niche. So let's say you have picked up make money online pro niche. So your 10 boards is going to be make money online through affiliate marketing, make money online through network marketing, free traffic tips for make money online, how to get traffic from YouTube, how to get traffic from Facebook. So these are the sub niches of make money online. So that's how you need to create your 10 boards. So after you have created your boards, what you have to do is you need to add pins to these 10 boards. So from where you are going to get the pins, you need to search for your niche in Pinterest. So you need to see the pins of different people in your niche, and whichever pins you like, you just need to pin them on different boards for that specific topic, for specific sub niche. I hope you're getting my point so far. Don't worry, in this video, as I said, I'm just giving you an overview of what you have to do and what I did. In the upcoming videos, I'll be showing you each and every steps. Okay, so let's move on to point number 4. You have to follow 100 profiles every day. So those 100 profiles needs to be the profiles in your niche. So I believe Pinterest has got a limitation of following up only 30 profiles or 50 profiles per hour. So just don't go berserk and just follow 100 people in one go. Follow 30 people in the morning, then follow 30 people in the afternoon, and then follow 40 people at night. So that's how you need to spread your following. You need to follow 100 profiles each and every day. And then what you have to do is you need to follow them for 7 days, and on 7th day you need to unfollow few of the profiles. Your profile does not want to look like that you are following 500 people and you're being only followed by, let's say, 50 people. That doesn't look good. So if you are following 500 people, you should have close to 350 to 400 followers in your profile. So you have to do a follow and unfollow method. So the next step which you have to do is you need to create your own pins as well. You can use a website called Canva, where you can create different kind of graphics, and you need to create your pins which gonna link back to your blog or to your affiliate offer. Again, don't worry if you're not following this thing. I'll be doing videos on this channel later on where I'll be showing you step by step as how you need to create your pins on Canva. So I am assuming that you have got a blog already. If you don't, never mind, you can also send traffic to your affiliate offers. I'll be showing you how. The next thing which you have to do is you need to schedule your pins using a tool called Tailwind. It is a free tool. You can pin up to 100 pins for free using Tailwind. So you can just schedule them like 3 pins for each and every board you have got. So that's how you need to schedule the pins once, and then you can schedule it for later dates. Let's say you're scheduling the pins on Sunday. That's what I do, and I schedule them for each and every day for the whole week, so that I don't have to go and pin each and every day. So Tailwind is one of the great tool for Pinterest. I'll give you a link to Tailwind in the description down below. It's a free tool. You don't have to buy anything for Tailwind. Okay, the next step which you have to do is you need to join group boards. There are different kind of boards in Pinterest. So now let me show you how this group board looks like. So let me just do a search on this. Let's say you're into dog training niche, dog training tips. Okay, and so this is great. This has given you all the pins under dog training tips. So now what you have to do on the right hand side where it says all pins, you just have to go to boards, and these are the different boards, as you can see. Now let me show you how a group board looks like. Do you see this particular board which has got dog training tips, 9 sections, 331 pins? So this is an example of a group board. This one is not a group board, this one is an individual board. So what exactly is a group board? So group board is where different people pin their pins in that particular board. So you get free traffic. People gonna check out that board, and if they see your pin, they will click on it and they will see what you are offering, what are you telling them about in that pin. And let me show you more of the group boards. Okay, here is one more. It says R plus dog training tips. So group board, you can identify that there is a circle and there are different profiles in this. In this one, there is no profiles which you can see. So that means it's not a group board. So you need to follow the group boards. You need to just see what are the rules of a group board and how to apply to that particular group board, which is usually written over here. So guys, these are my tips, and this is how I have grown my Pinterest account in 20 days, and I follow these steps every day, and you have seen the result. I've grown my Pinterest account and it is gonna grow further. So as I said, in the next video, what I'll be showing you is I'll create a brand new profile on Pinterest and I'll show you how you can grow it. So we'll do it together from the upcoming videos on Pinterest on this channel. So I hope you have found this video useful and you have got some value out of it. So please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.